Hey YouTube, it's the Test Lead, and today we're talking about the best tools for web UI testing. Remember, for testing and being a complete tester, we have two parts, the front-end testing and back-end testing. Today we're talking about the front-end testing, or the web UI, or what's being shown to the customers. That's the front end. I'll make a separate video talking about the best tools for the back-end testing, but that will come later. So remember, front-end testing or web UI testing focuses on the GUI, or graphical user interface, or simply the screen that's shown to customers. If I go to Amazon.com, that screen that's shown to me, Amazon's website, is their GUI. So GUI is their front screen that's shown to the customers. If I search for a product, if I search for laptops, click on a laptop, that laptop page is part of their GUI. As websites and software become more complex, we gotta make sure that we're still testing it for quality. So having efficient tools to test it is very important. In this video, we'll discuss some of the popular web UI tools and go through the pros and cons for each. The links to download all these tools will be in the description box below. For first, we have probably one of the most popular ones, Selenium WebDriver. I started out using this 7-8 years ago, and I still use it to this day. Selenium has one of the largest user bases just because it's been around so long. If I've ever been stuck with a Selenium problem, I just Google it, and usually I can find the answer. First, let's go through the pros. Selenium is an open source tool, meaning that anybody can just freely use it without having to pay anything, go through any transaction fees. No. You go to their website, download their execution file, start using Selenium today. It supports multiple programming languages and multiple browsers, which is important for front-end testing. Now for the cons. If you're new, setting up Selenium can be very complex and confusing. Also, there isn't really any built-in reporting capabilities for it. So normally you have third-party integrations for reporting. Next, we have Cypress. Cypress is known for its fast and reliable testing capabilities. It offers real-time reloading and interactive debugging, which is a significant advantage for developers and testers. Now, what are its cons? It's mainly built for modern web applications, so it may not be suitable for all use cases. Quick break. If you're new to my channel and got any value so far, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. If you're not new and still haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? I checked my metrics, and a lot of you guys are just freeloading. Subscribe, help out the channel, help us grow, and now back to the video. Next, we have Puppeteer, which was actually developed by Google. The pros for Puppeteer is, first, it was made by Google, and it was used for automating Chrome browsers. It's excellent for headless browser testing and has robust debugging features. Now, what are its cons? Like I just mentioned, it was designed for Chrome browsers. So if you want to do cross-browser testing, you can't unless it's just for Chrome. Next, we have Testcafe. Testcafe is another open source tool, meaning right after this video, you can download it and start using it. It doesn't require browser drivers, making setup a lot easier. It also provides a lot of documentation in case you need help. as well as allow support for different programming languages. Now, what are some of the cons? Doing advanced testing can be kind of challenging using this tool, but for most basic needs, it'll cover it. Last but not least, we have Katalon Studio. Katalon Studio is very diverse, where it offers record and playback as well as actual scripting for web UI testing. It also provides built-in reporting for different CI and CD tools. Now for some of the cons. The free version has some limitations on it. If you want to get all the full features, you gotta pay a subscription fee. If on this list you think I missed anything, make sure you leave a comment. I'll research that tool and then get back to you guys. So don't forget, web UI or front-end testing is very important, especially as these websites and softwares get more complex. So choosing the right tool for your testing is very important. If you need help on your QA journey, check out my book, QA Must Know Vocabulary, as well as my course, the Manual QA Academy. If you're into automation, my automation course will be out this January. So make sure you stay tuned and up to date. That way you get it as soon as it comes out. And most importantly, don't forget this, learn something new today.